In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a photo book using Canva with some handy tips. Creating a photo book is a great way to preserve your memories in an aesthetically pleasing format. Whether it's for a special occasion or a personal project, Canva offers a user-friendly platform for crafting beautiful photo books without needing extensive design skills. First, let's get started by searching for a photo book template. Open Canva and head to the search bar at the top. Type in photo book. This search will bring up a wide array of templates specifically designed for photo books. These templates come in various styles and themes, so you can find one that perfectly matches the theme of your project. Take your time to browse through these templates. You can hover over each template to get a closer look and also see how many pages it includes. This is particularly useful because you might want a template that offers enough pages for the number of photos you plan to include. Once you've found a template that appeals to you, go ahead and click on it. This will open up the option to customize it according to your needs. After clicking on your chosen template, you will see an option that says Customize this template. Click that and it will open the template in the Canva editor, allowing you to start personalizing your photo book. You'll notice a variety of tools and options available to you, making it easy to adjust the template's elements to better suit your vision. Next, you'll need to replace the stock images in the template with your personal photos. Look to the side menu and select Uploads. This option will enable you to upload your own images directly into Canva. Click on the Uploads button to open the upload window. Either select files from your computer or simply drag and drop your photos into the designated area. Your images will upload and appear in your gallery, ready to be added to your photo book. Now is the fun part. Drag and drop your images onto the template. Replacing existing images in the template is as simple as dragging your uploaded photos over the placeholders. As you do this, the new image will automatically replace the current one, ensuring your design looks seamless and professional. Repeat this process with each page of your photo book until you're satisfied with the arrangement and design. Canva's interface allows you to easily tweak the placement and size of your images, as well as add text and other elements if you wish. And there you have it, a beautiful customized photo book made in Canva. Remember, this photo book can be downloaded for printing or shared digitally with friends and family. Enjoy the process of capturing your memories in such a creative and enduring format. Thanks for watching and happy designing.